If you want to grow your channel that quick in 2019, don't miss this video.
Driving to Hawaii, surfing down the street.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Believe it or not, it's been a while since I've actually filmed a video or even a sit-down video. I have school tomorrow, but I'm actually not going because my sister has a college interview tomorrow at Cornell, and I wanted to be here to support her, and also I just love visiting colleges, and surprisingly my mom said yes. So today's video is going to be another YouTube advice video about how to grow your YouTube channel. With this video, it's going to be a little bit more different because I asked for some questions that you guys had or things you guys wanted me to touch on in a YouTube growth video on my Instagram, and you guys gave me some things that you were interested in me talking about. So if you want to have some input on future videos, make sure to follow my Instagram at AnnieLongYT. All of these tips I'm going to be sharing with you guys and my answers to your guys' questions have literally helped me so much to grow my channel. Hi guys, I'm just popping in to say that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. As you guys know, Skillshare has been such a useful platform for me over the course of a few months. I mentioned them in these two videos and they've seriously helped so much. Skillshare is an online learning platform that offers thousands of classes about creative and entrepreneurial skills, which is perfect if you want to start a YouTube channel or any type of social media platform that you're really trying to grow. Since Skillshare is sponsoring this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a free 2-month trial to Skillshare, and you can learn so much in 2 months, so definitely go sign up for that link. The premium membership gives you unlimited access to like thousands of classes, so there's really such a big variety in what you can learn. And after the 2 months, Skillshare is very affordable. It's just $10 per month. And let me just tell you, if you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, these tips are so helpful that you will be earning a lot more money than you paid for Skillshare because of the tips you're getting and the way you'll be improving your channel. I am currently taking Brandon Wolfel's Instagram photography course, and I think that that's so cool because he's such a well-known photographer, especially on Instagram, and just seeing him teach so many little secret insider tips on Skillshare is really cool to see. He just steps me through his planning process all the way to the editing and posting, and I really need to up my Instagram game, so it was really helpful. With all that being said, if you guys want to start a 2-month free trial, the link is down in my description and in the comments down below. Thanks so much for listening, and let's get back into the video. The first question I got a lot was how to get your videos to the recommended pages. YouTube has an algorithm, as you guys know, and usually the algorithm isn't like man-made. YouTube staff doesn't really handpick videos to put in the recommended box. That's all I know, but I've heard a ton of things about industry plants, and that's a whole nother video in itself. But to get your videos to the recommended pages, it's really about how people engage with your videos. There's this video, my preparing for back to school video. The watch retention was pretty decent and the average view duration was pretty decent, but what really made this video stand out and do so well is that my click-through rate was 20%. And I know that doesn't seem like a lot. 20 out of 100 people that saw my video clicked on it, but actually that is a lot considering the average click-through rate. The average click-through rate is about 6%, and the reason why it's so low is that we are just busy people. There are about like 10 to 20 videos in your recommended pages, and when you're busy, you want to watch videos that are going to help educate you, inspire you, or entertain you. You don't want to waste your time with videos that are going to leave you unfulfilled. So getting your video to be clicked on is kind of an honor because people are busy people. So basically the solution to how to get your videos on recommended pages, although a ton of factors play into it, is thumbnails. When I was first starting my channel, I wasn't really thinking about my thumbnails, and now before every single video, I make about like 5 thumbnail options, and I ask my friends, I think about which one I would click on the most. And I know it seems like you're wasting time making thumbnails, but don't waste the opportunity for your video to do really well. This question I got was how to balance school life, social life, and YouTube. You guys know that I love YouTube, and it's something that I'm really passionate about and I'd love to do in the future. But right now, I definitely think that school and social life is something that I'm trying to put before YouTube. There have been so many times where I've been like, should I hang out with these people or should I go edit this video? And recently I've been choosing to hang out with people first because I've been realizing that relationships and friendships are things that you have to invest in and invest your time in, and I do care about my YouTube channel and my content, but I do want to be able to communicate with other people and grow those relationships. So my answer for you is time blocking. Time blocking has helped me so much. I do it every single day. I'll enter in these screenshots of my calendar, but I just use the calendar app on my iPhone and it works so well. I know that time blocking might seem obsessive, but it's actually really quick. I time block every single night before the day, and basically what I do is I set all my priority items that I have to get done earlier in the day, and I kind of know my curfew. So if by the end of the time where I've got everything that I need to prioritize and get done, and I have time before my curfew, I time block that I'm going to edit. When I time block, I don't really know what homework I'm going to be assigned the next day, so I kind of just eyeball it, but if I run out of time, I kind of just take editing off my calendar and then plan it for the weekend. But it's really hard to balance that school life and YouTube life, and the biggest part is free time. I definitely think that YouTube for me is my free time. Like, I love editing. It's something I love doing, and I get really frustrated when I have so much schoolwork and by the end of the day I don't have enough time for editing. That has been something that's been frustrating me so much. It's so hard, but time blocking will literally save your life. The next thing people wanted to know was how to increase your watch time. So one little secret that I have to share with you guys is make educational videos if you want good watch time. There are so many videos that I made on YouTube advice and they get incredible watch time because people care about how to grow their YouTube channel. By educational, I don't only mean like marketing, how to grow your YouTube channel. It can be literally anything that people are dying to know. The difference between entertainment and educational videos is that with educational videos, you kind of have to watch till the end to actually learn the big idea and gain a lot from that video. So your average view duration and your watch retention will be a lot higher than an entertaining video that is a lot more easier to click out of. So be that person that people want to watch. Give value. And that doesn't mean that you can't make vlogs. There are a lot of vlogs I upload. I don't upload them with the intention of them blowing up. I know that they won't do incredibly well, but it'll keep the true subscribers entertained and something that I want to look back on. Another thing to increase watch time, and I said this a few years ago, is to make your video really quick. And I'm not saying that you have to cut like every 3 seconds like I used to do that. I kind of still do. It's a really bad habit, and I'm just a perfectionist when it comes to editing, maybe. I don't know. I just do a lot of jump cuts, but just make sure that your video is flowing because, as I said, people are busy people. They don't have time for you to have like 20-second clips of you being like, yeah, like, I guess. Like, yeah, like, you should do this thing. Like, you need to get straight to the point. It can be hard with watch time because you want to make a long video, but you also have to make sure that it's engaging. I actually didn't know this until a few months ago, but I was watching Shelby Church's video on AdSense. Videos that are actually 10 minutes and longer and have ad breaks in between them get boosted by YouTube because obviously YouTube is a business and they want to make money off of your ads. So if you are monetized, or even if you aren't, making videos that are really engaging, that are 10 minutes and longer, is really the key. And it's going to be hard to keep people engaged and get your watch time up. It's really a process of experimenting with what people like, and you're going to have failures, you're going to have victories, you're gonna have to test. Especially when you're a small creator, it's important to take advantage of that smaller number because that means you can experiment with more things. Because if you have 1,000 subscribers and you start making this whole different branch of content and those 1,000 subscribers don't care about that new content, you can experiment with different things. But when you have 1 million subscribers and everyone is very fixed on that subject that you used to preach about in your videos, then it becomes a bigger risk. How to keep your audience engaged. This one is really important because the reason why people watch YouTube is because there's a back and forth conversation with the YouTuber and the subscribers. There is very easily accessible communication there, and I feel like that's so important because that's why we feel so connected with YouTubers that we watch. It's like we feel like they relate to us, and you know, when your favorite YouTuber hearts your comment or responds, it's a great feeling. Make polls about what video they want to see next, or polls about what video do you think is next, little sneak peeks, asking them what they want to see.
This is so humiliating!
This video is a perfect example of me asking my subscribers on Instagram what they want to hear about when it comes to like YouTube advice. I'm trying to feel their interest. Asking your subscribers about what they want to see will make them feel more valuable and also make you guys have a closer bond. This topic is so important. I wish everyone could hear this because after learning this skill about how to generate video ideas, it's been so much easier. I ask my subscribers for video video ideas, but that's not because I can't come up with them on my own, but I'm curious on what other people specifically want to see. As you guys see, I have a lot of playlists on my channel. I have my YouTube advice playlist, I have a vlogs playlist. Those playlists are all like broader subjects. When I make a video or when I see it does really well, I try to branch off of that video idea. I had this video that did really well. It was my Trying Gabriella Whited 3-minute workout video. I could easily branch off of that by doing a I ran 1 mile for 30 days video. I promise I'm going to be doing that. Or my aesthetic Tumblr intros videos always do really well. I can keep on making more of those. Also, looking at what you like to watch or popular videos. I mean, I think that your channel does need the originality to make it really stand out. But if you make a morning routine video, make a night routine video, make an after school night routine video, make a get ready with me for school, make a get ready with me for church, make a get ready with me for prom, get ready with me for homecoming. All those different ideas can branch off of each other and generate more ideas. And actually a really smart thing to do is when you go shopping, make a video out of it. I know that not everyone here is monetized, but the benefits of making YouTube videos, and if you're able to get paid for it, is that when you go out and buy clothes, that is a subtraction on your bank account. But if you make a haul video and it does decently well, you can use that AdSense money to kind of like pay back for the clothes you bought. So like technically it's like kind of free clothes. Just wanted to put that out there. How to have tags for your videos. I know that tags are important. Okay, but there are a lot of videos that I've made that I actually couldn't come up with tags for, and like I searched up on rapid tags and there's just a ton of weird names and stuff. Like there's some ideas that are so original that there aren't tags really like made for it. You know what I mean? Try to fill your tag box all the way up, and there are tools and resources you can use like rapid tags. I like to use other YouTubers' tags that they use on that similar video. That usually helps. If you want to be able to see what people's tags are, use vidIQ. I'm actually not sponsored by them, but that's what I use to see other people's engagement rates and also to see their tags on their videos. One of the most important things that I'm going to say in this video is the best starting camera to start with, and you can disagree with me, is the Canon G7X. That is what I'm filming this video on, and the reason why I'm filming this video on this is, one, it is so portable. You can bring it anywhere. It can be a sit-down camera, it can be a vlog camera, and two, the lighting on this camera is always so good. It adjusts to low lighting places. I actually have a camera that's really expensive and I bought a lens for it, but the lighting is not as good. This camera is so good at adjusting, and it has a very low aperture, and it makes videos look so clean and so nice. So I swear the G7X is the best starting camera. I know so many YouTubers that have so many subscribers and they're still using their G7X. It's a good camera, I promise. So if you want to invest in any camera, a lot of people ask me like for recommendations or what I use, and like although I use the ADD2, if I were to recommend any camera to you, it's the G7X. So that was all I had to say for this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can engage in my next little Q&A, and I kind of want to do an actual Q&A. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up because I will make more videos on how to grow your YouTube channel. This hotel is starting to make noises, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.